the scramble. I see white cross here, here, here. I think what I would do is go like that. Then last blue one, solve the cross, and I saw these two first. Then these two, and final F2L. See you soon, and cheaper. For this scramble, again, all the white pieces are right here in front of me. I think what I would do is go bring this blue one down, bring this orange one over here, green down, then bring the red and orange into place. Saw this one first, then these two, which also pairs up this, which is nice. And then here, last pair with edge orientation again. COLL and C-perm. I see white pieces here, 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 and here. These two are lined up. I think I would go like that, put green down, red, blue, pairs this up, solve the cross, and also see this. So I'll do that first. So insert it into the back, then solve this into the back, and this pair lines up nice. Last pair, OLL, J-perm. Okay, for this one, yellow cross is definitely easier. And I'll try to preserve this pair. We'll see. I'll bring this orange down. I want to bring this pair out, and then this one's here. Do a D to R, then rotate to insert this into the back. Saw this and this. Also pair it up in the back. And I got this pair right here, which I think I would do something like that to get some edges oriented, and then bring this out so it's out of this bottom, and then insert that pair. For this case, I do F, R, U, R prime, U prime to get a TZ below. Which I know. Good white cross here. I think I would go like that. Probably like that. And then I see this pair, which also pairs up this one, which is nice. Can do keyhole here. Insert the edge, corner. Then I got these two last. Pair it up, do edge control. This position right here, since it's two-handed, I normally just do regular OLL, but since I'm at this angle to execute it, I would do COLL and then U-perm. In this case, orange cross is probably the best. So if I go like that to line all three of these up, and then just solve the last cross piece like that. I saw this right away. Pair that up. Then I saw these two. And I can go right into this one. And this pair is lined up already, which is nice. Oh well. Wiper. For this scramble, nice white cross. I got blue, red, yeah, orange, green. So I think I would go like that. Bring blue down, orange, and then red. I see this pair right here. Solve that. And I see these two. These two. And then lastly, these two. And I know this will get all edges oriented soon. Cheaper. For this scramble, got these two right here. I think I would insert those first, like that. As I'm solving that, this forms. So I would insert this, and then U prime F. Then solve this like that. See these two. See these two from the pair before. And then lastly, this pair. OL, PLL. Another white cross. I see this pair right here. I do not believe I can preserve that. So I'll put this red back here. Go like that. Make this pair as I'm solving the cross. Like that. This pair right here formed on its own. Then this pair. OL and F prime. Okay, in this scramble, white and yellow don't look the best. I think what I would do is go like that, solve those three, and then green. So that wasn't that bad actually. Saw these two first, then this one, these two, then last pair. I know this will get edges oriented, and then CBLL. Easy soon combination. So it looks like we got an easy white cross here. Got blue, orange already set up. So solve blue, green, orange, and then red. Like that. And I see this pair right away. Then see this pair, this pair, lastly this one. Here I'm going to get a diag PLL, which is not the best. think I'll do white here. Yellow's pretty good, except this part would be difficult to solve, so I'll do white. So I'll go F. While I'm doing that, move orange to the back so that we bring this down and solve that at the same time. See this pair? See this pair? This pair? And then this one. COLL. And then Uper. For this scramble, this is in place already. This is in the wrong place. I think what I would do is bring this red over, solve blue, and then solve green. Here, I saw this first, so I'll go for that one. And I saw this one as well. These two. And lastly, these